Hey everyone, it's Carl here. Today I'm going to do a taste test review of Per chocolate mint gum. Is aspartame free and only has 5 calories, and there's nutritional facts right there. Never had this gum, so I'm curious what it tastes like. I'm going to try one gum. It's pretty good quality gum. Like the quality of the chocolate mint flavor in it. But compared to other brands, I think I still prefer Trident over this, but it's still pretty good gum. I'm gonna give this a fair 9 out of 10 rating. Just cause got a unique taste to it, flavoring. So yeah, thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye now.